Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good morning to our lecturer, which is Dr. Idinaja Aimi binti Muhammad Nordin. I am Nurul Musharrafah binti Khairul Hisham and my group member is Muhammad Hasib bin Kutaidin, Muhammad Hazim bin Muhammad Safri, and the last one is Sri Abinish Pillai anak lelaki Mungkish. We all are from group 1 and our title is about Petrochemical Plant. Now I will start our presentation with the introduction of petrochemical industry. Actually, petrochemical industry is the oil and gas, and that's also one of the Malaysian leading industry. These actually have two major downstream clusters in the ECER, which is located in the Kerteh Terengganu and Kebeng Pahang. These actually world-class petrochemical manufacturers has been established plant in Malaysia. This actually to ensuring a steady supply of feedstock material of plastic industry and propelling it to become one of the Malaysian dynamic industry. Next, the Petronas Integrated Petrochemical Complex, which is IPC, has been located in Kerteh Terengganu, and they're also a part of Petronas Petroleum Industry Complex, PPIC. That is a very important for the gas value chain. In the Kerteh, IPC has been consists primarily of a ethylene-based petrochemical plants, and they have two ethylene cracker and a polyethylene plant, and ethylene glycol plant, and also multi-unit derivative plant, vinyl chloride monomers or a PVC plants, ammonias, and acetic acid plant, aromatic complex, and a low-density polyethylene plant. Next, I will explain about the problem statement of this project. The first problem statement is workers need to go to the tank to check the temperature of the oil or water. Second is reading recorded is not very accurate because of the human error while read the temperature of the tank. And the last one is safety for workers who take the reading is not too safe because the temperature around the tank.
Hi, my name is Ravni. So today I'll be explaining the objective of our project. So first of all is to change the manual method in the petrochemical industry to the automated method, and secondly to make the petrochemical industry to be a safe place for the workers to work at, and also lastly to ensure the temperature reading is accurate to the manual reading that been done in the petrochemical industry. Next, I'll be explaining the scope project. So number one is the system will sense the temperature of water or oil at the petrochemical industry. Secondly, the system will send the reading of temperature through ESP32 to the computer. And third, the sensor will locate a water tank or oil tank to sense the temperature of the tank. And lastly, the reading will be sent at the time has been set. That's all for me. Thank you.
And now, I, Muhammad Azim bin Muhammad Sakri, will talk about the proposed method of this project. As you can see, the main method of our project is to use the IoT in the oil and gas industry is to increase efficiency and productivity by collecting and analyzing real-time data from various operations. This is achieved by deploying sensors and machine learning technology in physical objects such as equipment to monitor and automate operations. By doing this, it reduces the chance of human error and improves the safety and security of resource extraction and distribution. In this specific project, Not MCU board ESP32 is used as the IoT medium, and pressure and humidity sensor are used to collect the data on temperature of water or oil. For cooling, the humidity sensor are used to collect data on temperature of water and oil for cooling or heating system in a petrochemical plant. This is a small scale small-scale implementation of IoT, but it has the potential to greatly improve the overall performance of the industry. As I mentioned, the main method is we use the IoT technology. It can be used to monitor and control various aspects of the production process, including drilling, wellhead control, pipeline monitoring, and refining. By collecting data from this process in real time, companies can identify and address issues more quickly, reducing downtime and increasing overall production. This Especially by using IoT, companies can make better and more informed decisions, resulting in cost saving and increased revenue. It can be used to improve customer service by providing real-time updates on delivery schedule and order status. Next to the right. Here I will explain about the block diagram. As you can see, the block diagram in here is the not MCU ESP32 board service as the main controller for the system. It will receive input from two sensors, a pressure sensor and it's a humidity sensor, which is DHT22. The pressure sensor is used to measure the pressure of the water or oil in the petrochemical plant, while the humidity sensor is used to measure the temperature and humidity. The data collected by this sensor is then transferred to a database using the Wi-Fi module that is integrated into the ESP32 board. This allows for real-time monitoring and analysis of the production process, which can be used to identify and address issues more quickly and improve overall performance. Alright, that's all. Thank you for me.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hasib bin Zaidin. Okay, so I will be presenting about the flowchart of the system. Okay, so in this system, we are going to use two sensor. One which is a pressure sensor, and the other one is a humidity and temperature sensor. Okay, so in the left one, in this slide, we can see for the left diagram is a flowchart for the pressure sensor. Okay, so for the pressure sensor, and it start from at the start, it will read the value from the sensor, and then the sensor will give out a value, the pressure value in volts, so that the microcontroller can understand, can read the data, the signal. So if the pressure is above a certain limit, and then it will print a good condition, but if it is below the required limit, so it will print low pressure, and then all the readings, either low pressure or high pressure, will be sent to the database through ESP32. Okay, so for the humidity sensor, we use the same type of flowchart but different outcome. So for temperature, okay, let's say at the start, the sensor will read the temperature and humidity reading, and then if when the sensor output is calculated, if the temperature is above 30 degree and also above 95%, this value is not fixed because we did not do any testing, so it's just like a simulation. Okay, so if the value is not as what we want, we will print a low condition, and then also if the temperature is above or above the required value, then we will print good condition, and also same, both reading high or low will be sent to the database through ESP32. Okay, and then for the conclusion, uh, in conclusion, the IoT technologies that automate operations will be greatly reducing the chance of human error, and the safety and security of resource extraction and distribution will be increased considerably. By utilizing the data analytics that goes along with it, this strategy also aids in increasing production productivity. Therefore, by adding this proposed method, it will make controlling a temperature system will be more effective and accurate. At the same time, it will make petrochemical plant be more automated and more safe, uh, and implement more safety in the industry. That's all from us. Thank you very much.